Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone a Wi-Fi hotspot. This will also work on the iPad. So whichever one you're using, you first want to go to the settings. And then from the settings, you want to go onto this mobile service here. Yours may also say mobile data. And in the mobile service or mobile data, wherever you are in the world, on this page you want the third option down, personalised hotspot. And you can see it's currently on. But if yours isn't, you want to come into this. And you want to tap this there to green, like this, to turn it on. Then you can come back out. And you can go to personal hotspot once it's turned on in the mobile services or mobile data. And it'll go to this same page. So once it's on, you do not have to go back into the mobile services again. And then from here, you can change the password here, if you wish. And you can select allow others to join here at the top. And underneath here, you can maximize capacity. And then there's 3 different ways how to connect. Connect using Wi-Fi, to connect using Bluetooth, and to connect using USB. And each one shows you how to do it. So that is how to make your iPhone or iPad a Wi-Fi hotspot. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.